Everybody saying Srita,
Shrita,
Srita,
Shrita,
Srita,
Shrita,
Srita,
Shrita,
Kamala,
Kamala,
Kucha,
Kucha,
Mandala,
Mandala,
A, Dhruta,
Dhruta,
Kundala,
Kundala,
A, Kalita,
Kalita,
Lalita,
Lalita,
Vana,
Vana,
Mala,
Mala,
Jaya Jaya,
Jaya Jaya,
Deva,
Deva,
Hari,
Hare,
Srita,
Shrita,
Kamala,
Kamala,
Kucha,
Kucha,
Mandala,
Mandala,
A, Dhruta,
Dhruta,
Kundala,
Kundala,
A, Kalita,
Kalita,
Lalita,
Lalita,
Vanamala,
Vanamala,
Jaya Jaya,
Jaya Jaya,
Deva,
Deva,
Hari,
Hare,
Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Kalita Lalita Vanamala, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Bolo. Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Kalita Lalita Vanamala, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. That's how I taught all the devotees to sing here. But when we sing in Mridanga, different tunes, I taught like that. Mangalarti, I taught you Mangalarti too. I taught them Mangalarti, taught them all these prayers what they sing here. Now sing. Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Kalita Lalita Vanamala, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Kalita Lalita Vanamala, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Rama Devi. Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Vishakha Devi.
Shrita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Srita Kundalaye, Kalita Malita Vanamalaye, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari.
Lila.
Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Dhruta Kundala, Kalita Lalita Vanamala, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari.
Okay, Kesava.
Shrita Kamala Kuncha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Kalita Lalita Vanamala, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari.
Prahlad.
Shrita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Kalita Lalita Vanamala, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari.
Sing.
Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Kalita Lalita Vanamala, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari.
Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Dhruta Kundala, Kalita Lalita Vanamala, Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Yadava.
Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye, Dhruta Kundalaye, Kalita Lalita Vanamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Again, look. Srita, there, you look. Srita Kamala Kuchamandalaye Dhrita Kundalaye Dhrita Kundala Kalita Lalita Vanamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye Kesava, you have to sing with me. Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye Dhrita Kundalaye Dhrita Kundala Kalita Lalita Vanamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Now you say another second one. Dinamani.
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 Mandala.
Mandala.
Mandana.
Mandana.
Bhava.
Bhava.
Khandana.
Khandana.
Bhava.
Bhava.
Khandana.
Khandana.
Munijana.
Munijana.
Manasa.
Manasa.
Hamsa.
Hamsa.
Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Dinamani Mandala Mandanaye Bhava Khandanaye Bhava Khandana Munijana Manasa Hamsa Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Now say Dinamani Mandala Mandalaye Bhava Khandanaye Bhava Khandana Munijana Manasa Hamsa Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. You have to copy my singing. Dinamani Mandala Mandalaye Bhava Khandanaye Bhava Khandana Munijana Manasa Hamsa Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Again. Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye Dhrita Kundalaye Dhrita Kundala Kalita Lalita Vanamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye Dhrita Kundalaye Dhrita Kundala Kalita Lalita Vanamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Dinamani Mandala Mandanaye Bhava Khandanaye Bhava Khandana Munijana Manasa Hamsa Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Dinamani Mandala Mandalaye Bhava Khandanaye Bhava Khandana Munijana Manasa Hamsa Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe
from the beginning?
Yeah.
Srita Kamala Kucha Mandalaye Dhrita Kundalaye Dhrita Kundala Kalita Lalita Vanamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Dinamani Mandala Mandanaye Bhava Khandanaye Bhava Khandana Munijana Manasa Hansa Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Jai Devi, sing.
Shrita Kamala Kuchamandalaye Drita Kundalaye Drita Kundala Kalita Lalita Vanamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hari Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hari Dina Mani Mandala Mandanaye Baba Kandanaye Baba Kandana Muni Jana Manasa Hamsa Jaya Jaya Deva Hari Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hari.
Next. Kaliya Vishadhara. Kaliya Vishadhara Ganjana Bhava Jana Ranjana Jana Ranjana Yadukula Nalina Dinesha Kaliya Vishadhara Ganjana Jana Ranjana Yadukula Nalina Dinesha Kaliya Vishadhara Ganjanaye Jana Ranjanaye Yadukula Nalina Dinesha Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Kaliya Vishadhara Ganjanaye Jana Ranjanaye Yadukula Nalina Dinesha Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Kaliya Vishadhara Ganjanaye Jana Ranjanaye Yadukula Nalina Dinesha Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Madhu Mura Naraka Vinashana Ye Garudasana Surakula Keli Nidana Madhu Mura Naraka Vinashana Ye Garudasana Ye Garudasana Surakula Keli Nidana Madhu Mura Naraka Vinashana Ye Garudasana Ye Garudasana Surakula Keli Nidana Madhu Mura Naraka Vinashana Garudasana Surakula Keli Nidana Jaya Jaya
हरे राधे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे मधुर नरक विनाशने गरुडाशने गरुडाशन सुरकुल के निदान जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे मधुर नरक विनाशने गरुडाशने गरुडाशन सुरकुल के निदान जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे अमला अमला कमला कमला दल दल लोचन लोचन ये भव भव मोचन मोचन ये भव भव मोचन मोचन त्रिभुवन 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 भुवन भुवन निधान 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 अमल अमल कमल कमल दल दल लोचन लोचन ये भव भव मोचन मोचन ये भव भव मोचन मोचन त्रिभुवन 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 भुवन भुवन निधान निधान अमल अमल कमल कमल दल दल लोचनये लोचनये भव भव मोचनये मोचनये भव भव मोचन मोचन त्रिभुवन त्रिभुवन भुवन भुवन निधान निधान जय जय देव हरे जय जय देव हरे अमल कमल दल लोचनये भवमोचनये भवमोचन त्रिभुवन भुवन निधान जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे अमल कमल दल लोचनये भवमोचनये भवमोचन त्रिभुवन भुवन निधान जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे अमल कमल दल लोचनये भवमोचनये भवमोचन त्रिभुवन भुवन निधान जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे जनक जनक सुता सुता कृत कृत भूषणये भूषणये जित जित दूषण दूषण ये जित दूषण जित दूषण समरे समरे समिता समिता दशकंठ 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 जनक जनक सुता सुता कृत कृत भूषणये भूषणये जित जित दूषणये दूषणये Dushanaye.
Jita.
Jita.
Dushana.
Dushana.
Samare.
Samare.
Samita.
Samita.
Dasakantha.
Dasakantha.
Janaka Sutta Krita Bhushanaye. Jita Dushanaye. Jita Dushana. Samare Samita. Dasakantha.
Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Radhe Krishna.
Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Janaka Sutta Krita Bhushanaye. Jita Dushanaye. Jita Dushana. Samare Samita. Dasakantha. Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Radhe Krishna. Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Janaka Sutta Krita Bhushanaye. Jita Dushanaye. Jita Dushana. Samare Samita. Dasakantha.
Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Radhe Krishna. Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Amala Kamala Dalalochanaye. Bhavamochanaye. Bhavamochana. Tribhuvana Bhuvana Vidhana.
Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Radhe Krishna. Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Janaka Sutta Krita Bhushanaye. Jita Dushanaye. Jita Dushana. Samare Samita. Dasakantha. Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Radhe Krishna. Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Please give him a book. Give him this book. Open it up, otherwise he will not know. Page 67. Yeah, you should help everybody. Why not? If we have hands and a head, why we don't help everybody? We should have a broad heart, big heart. Small heart is not good. It's called narrow-minded, narrow-hearted. Rasalila has broad heart, big heart. Do you understand? Good brain. And you are her sister. So you are not small. You are also big. Do you understand? Not physically big, but inside big. You understand? Yes, let's do it. Next. Abhinava.
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 Jaladhara.
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 Sundara.
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 Ye. Abhinava.
Abhinava.
Jaladhara.
Jaladhara.
Sundara.
Sundara.
Ye. Dhruta.
Dhruta.
Mandara.
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 Ye. Dhruta.
Dhruta.
Mandara.
Mandara.
Sri.
Sri.
Mukha.
Mukha.
Chandra.
Chandra.
Chakora.
Chakora.
Sri.
Sri.
Mukha.
Mukha.
Chandra.
Chandra.
Chakora.
Chakora. Sri.
Mukha.
Mukha.
This one. Sri.
Sri.
Mukha.
Mukha.
Chandra.
Chandra.
Chakora.
Chakora.
So beautiful you cannot blink your eyes. You look towards Krishna. Sri.
Sri.
Mukha.
Mukha.
Mukha means this. Mukha. Chandra as good, better than moon. Chandra means moon. Chakora.
Chakora.
Abhinava Jaladhara Sundaraye Dhrutamandaraye Dhrutamandara Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Abhinava Jaladhara Sundaraye Dhrutamandaraye Dhrutamandara Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Abhinava Jaladhara Sundaraye Dhrutamandaraye Dhrutamandara Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. One time Radharani became very angry with Lord Krishna. You know Radharani? You know him? You know? Okay. So she became very upset with Lord Krishna. One day, only one day. Because Lord Krishna said, oh, you are so beautiful. Your face is very beautiful. You are so beautiful. So Radharani asked, how beautiful? Do you understand? How beautiful. Oh, you are like a full moon. Your beauty is as good as a full moon. Full moon! Moon! That moon! No, that is ugly. You compare my face with that one. Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Radharani is called Chandra Mukhi. What do you call it? Chandra Mukhi. What is that? Chandra Mukhi. But she becomes very angry if you call her Chandramukhi. But Lord Krishna called, so we call Chandramukhi. You understand? But Krishna is Chandramukhi here. Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora. Lord Krishna is beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. That is defeated. Let's go. Next. Abhinava Jaladhara Sundaraye Dhrutamandaraye Dhrutamandara Sri Mukha Chandra Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Tava Charani Pranata Vayam Iti Bhavaya Iti Bhavaya Kuru Kushalam Pranateshu Tava Charani Pranata Vayam Iti Bhavaya Iti Bhavaya Kuru Kushalam Pranateshu Tava Charani Pranata Vayam Iti Bhavaya Iti Bhavaya Kuru Kushalam Pranateshu Tava Charani Pranatavayame Iti Bhavaya Guru Kushalam Pranateshu
जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे
तव चरणी प्रणतावयमे इति भावये इति भावय कुरुशलं प्रणतेषु
जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे
तव चरणी प्रणतावयमे इति भावये इति भावय कुरुशलं प्रणतेषु
जय जय देव हरे
राधे कृष्णा
जय जय देव हरे
तव चरणे 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 प्रणतावयमे इति भावये इति भावय कुरुशलं
प्रणतेषु जय जय देव हरे
राधे कृष्णा
जय जय देव हरे
श्री
श्री
जयदेव
जयदेव
कावेरिदं
कावेरिदं
ये कुरुते
कुरुते
मुदं
मुदं
ये
ये
कुरुते
कुरुते
मुदं
मुदं
मंगल
मंगल
उज्ज्वल
उज्ज्वल
कीर्ति
कीर्ति
मंगलम
मंगलम
उज्ज्वल
उज्ज्वल
कीर्ति श्री
श्री
जयदेव
जयदेव
कावेरिदं
कावेरिदं
ये कुरुते
कुरुते
मुदं
मुदं
ये कुरुते मुदं
कुरुते मुदं
मंगल
मंगल
उज्ज्वल
उज्ज्वल
कीर्ति
कीर्ति
There is little misspelling here. Mistyping.
Kaviradam.
Huh? Kaveri. Yes. You can remember because every day we sing there. The Hindi is written better. Almost spellings. Okay. Kaveridam.
Kaveridam
Kaveridam.
Kaveridam
Kaveridam. Kaveridam.
Kaveridam
Kaveridam. Kaveridam.
Kaveridam
Kaveridam.
Kaveridam
Kaveridam. Kaveridam.
Kaveridam.
Sri Jayadeva Kaveridame Kurute Mudame Kurute Mudam Mangalam
Jaya Jaya Deva Hare
Radhe Krishna
Jaya Jaya Deva Hare
Sri Jayadeva Kaveridame Kurute Mudame Kurute Mudam Mangalam
Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare
Sri
Jayadeva Kaveridame Kurute Mudame Kurute Mudam Mangalam Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare
Radha Govind Bhagwan ki
Jai.
I repeated lots of times. It's okay? You can get it?
श्री पूज्यपाद महामंगलेश्वर मान श्री कृष्ण बलराम स्वामी जी महाराज की जय।
Jai.
Kesava, read the top sloka. Top. That's there. 67.
Завершу.
Sing.
Abhinava Jaladhara Sandaraye Dharamandaraye Dhritamandara Shrimukha Chandara Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radha Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Read it again. You're not getting correct. You have to read correct. Wrong. Now read right.
Dakarta. Abhinava Jaladhara Mandaraye Dharamandaraye Dharamandara Shri Mukha Chandara Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radha Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Now you sing Visakha.
Abhinava Jaladhara Sundaraye Dhritamandaraye Dhritamandara Shri Mukha Chandra Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Hare Krishna Jaya Deva Hare.
Say Rama Devi. You have to sing loudly. Can you tell her to sing loudly?
Abhinava Jaladhara Sundaraye Dhritamandaraye Dhritamandaraye Shri Mukha Chandra Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Sevanand.
Abhivara Jaladhara Sundaraye Dhritamandaraye Dhritamandara Shri Mukha Chandara Chokara Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
Prahlad.
Abhinava Jaladhara Sundaraye Dhrutamandaraye Dhrutamandara Shri Mukha Chandra Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare.
When we were in the school, Gurukul school, Sanskrit, the first class students were beaten more than the third class students. Do you understand?
Yes.
They were punished more for making mistake than the third class ones. And the top one was beaten more. So we make no more mistakes, we get top one. You understand? And the third class, they don't get beaten. Because they know, the teacher knows he will be only third class anyway, so leave him alone. Did you catch me? Like that. So, we don't want to become third class on spiritual life. We want to be top class. I mean, top class. If you get top, then at least you become high class. Do you understand? Yes. I was wondering in my childhood, why we get so much. But big guys don't get it. They all make mistakes. So one day we dared to ask the teacher, why you beat us more than anybody else? Because of this. So sometimes Guru is very strict. Do you understand? Very strict because he cares about you. He don't want you to go to hell. By hook or crook, he wants you to become free from. He will do anything to make you become free from cycle of birth and death.
take you back to Godhead. Do you understand? By hook or crook. You understand? Even the crooked way. What is crooked way? What is crooked way? Tell me.
Crook, like this. This way.
Not like
way.
this, not like this. Crooked way means glorified. Aha. Oh, Baladev, you are so beautiful. You are so good. Can you please do it right? Do you understand? The hook means, hey rascal, Prahlad, do it! Do you understand? Did you catch me? Crooked way means lollipops. If I were you, I would not do like this. Did you catch me? When I heard like this first time in America. If I were you, I would have removed the coat and left it outside. These ways. Do you understand? This is called crooked way. So Guru is crooked way or hooked way, doesn't matter which way, he will take you back to God. Sure. Doesn't matter, because love means you care. Do you understand? If I love you, I will not leave you hanging here. And I go back to God and leave you here hanging, that is not good. That is injustice. I go, you go. Not I stay back, but I send you. No, I go and you go. You go with me. That is love. Love does not mean using somebody. No. Love means neither use nor get used. Both go back to God. Did you catch me?
Yes.
Like that. That is spiritual life. Thank you very much. Anything else? If you are okay?
Okay.
Let us sing all of it at one time. One by one from the beginning till the end. No guru works like this. You will never see one guru working like this with his students. You will never find, never hear, never heard guru working like this. Every day I work. All this is taught because they are all newcomers, they don't know. Who taught them? Carry on. Shrita Kamala Kuja Mandalaye Dhruta Mandalaye Dhruta Kundala Kalita Lalita Varamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Dinamani Mandala Mandalaye Bhavakandalaye Bhavakandana Muni Janamanasa Hansa Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Kaliya Vishahara Ganjanaye Janaranjanaye Janaranjana Yadurvula Nalina Dinesha Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Madhura Naraka Vinashanaye Garudashanaye Garudashana Surakula Keni Nidana Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Amala Kamala Dala Lojanaye Bhavamochanaye Bhavamochana Tribhuvana Bhuvana Nidana Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Janaka Sudakrita Bhushanaye Jitadhushanaye Jitadhushanaye
Dhrutamandara Srimukha Chandra Chakora Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Tava Charane Pranatayami Niti Bhavaya Niti Bhavaya Kuru Kushavam Pranateshu Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Shri Jaya Deva Kaveri Kurudev Mudame Kurudev Muda Mangala Mudala Giri Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Jaya Jaya Deva Hare
Jaya Krishna Balaram Swami Krishna Balaram Swami Krishna Balaram Swami Krishna Balaram Jaya Krishna Balaram Swami Krishna Balaram Swami Krishna Balaram Swami Krishna Balaram Gurudev 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 Hari Bol 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 Shri Shri Pujyapat Mahamandaleshwar Mahant Shri Krishna Balaram Swami Ji Maharaj ki Jai Shri Shri Radha Govinde Bhagwan ki Jai 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 Shri Radhe Shyam.
Very good.
Can I take this one?
Yeah. Sevanand, tomorrow you are singing at Samadhi, Kirtan. Okay? You are singing in Govinda Raksha.
Okay.
You are singing day after tomorrow in the Samadhi.
Ananda Maharaj Samadhi. So, Ananda Maharaj Samadhi, Hare Krishna Mahamantra we sing morning. Can you tell? This Ananda Maharaj Samadhi, we sing Mahamantra every day, morning. Right? So day after tomorrow, he will sing there, he will lead.
Just for week, visit Kirtana, to Samadhi Ananda. Samadhi, Purikanta.
In the corner.
Everybody should go forward. Yes? Yes, no? He's doubtful.
Боитесь, а когда же скалендорус?
Akadash calendar ends.
And
Боитесь, Артуресе.
Yeah, right. Yeah. New Year begins.
Calendar.
Новый календарь. Дар klausimas iš to kalendoriaus.
One more question from that calendar.
Kaip yra va.
I forgot about this.
Aš čia galima valgyti lapę daržovių.
I made already, I have to check.
Kurioj vietoje yra, turiu viską parodyti.
We have to print and give you one copy before you leave. Or I send by email.
Maybe help him singing after tomorrow.
Yeah. No, you do singing of Lord Shiva. Hare Krishna Mahamantra is same everywhere.
Yes. Yeah.
But you sing in one place, he sings in one place, he sings in one place. That's how you learn. Do you know? Lochan sings Mangalarti. And secretly somebody made a tape, those days, 30 years ago. Secretly made a tape and sent to India. Usually singing goes from here to there. Now the singing came from America to India. Do you understand? And they, because Lochan copy exactly me. Oh, sound, vibration, style, everything, words. So they thought Swamiji is singing. All right. When I went there in their house, they played the tape. Swamiji, you sing so beautiful. Your singing is so beautiful. But it's Lochan's. I said, it's not me. No, it is you. And they don't believe that I said, it's not me. Did you catch me? So how would you learn? I put him on the line. Lochan makes the best chapatis. He learned from me, I taught him. And he makes better than me. So disciple goes forward than guru. Do you understand? His chapati, when he makes, I leave none, I them eat them all. You ask him one day, do you make very good chapatis and Swamiji eats them all, as many as you make? Then he will tell you. Yeah, he makes the best chapatis. Very nice. So much love in the service. I eat them all. And I did not know I ate them all. Because he's serving. Did you catch me? Whole pot is empty. He never told me it's all gone. So I asked him one more. Can you, Swamiji, tomorrow? Yes, very nice. I think he's the one who is crying for me. So I get this irritation in my throat inside. I don't have a cough. See, that is devotion, that is devotee. He found a guru because he's 32 years with me. He knows what I am. He got a diamond. He's a military man, you know him.
I know him.
Oh yeah, military means very hard-hearted. And he is crying for his guru. See, I don't know why I chastised him. I don't remember. Chastise means, you stupid American. That is the only chastisement I do. You stupid American. No, I'm not American, Swamiji. So I asked him, who are you? I'm Brajvasi.
Because of you.
So I said, how come? No, my guru is Brajvasi. I was born in Vrindavan. Because his second birth is Vrindavan. He took initiation here, so you are a Brajvasi. Listen. So he shuts my mouth sometimes. Do you know? Yes. My mouth was shut because I cannot say you stupid American anymore. Not that I call stupid American to everybody, but when they make repeated mistakes, sometimes you get a little irritated. You got to say, hey, stupid American, do it right. That is enough. Do you understand? Yes, that much affection we should have for our spiritual master. That much affection. They're looking at their face. So you have to tell them what is going on here. Oh, I forgot that you have to translate.
I will tell later.
You are two professors sitting there. I'm the third one. I'm third class. You are first class. Is it? No? Yeah. Very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Don't grow your beard. Nobody is asking you to grow beard, so you have to shave every day. Yes.
Lila has one question.
Yes.
When is fasting from leafy vegetables, can we eat cabbages?
No.
No.
Anything that has leaves we cannot eat. So cabbage is not eat.
Bet kas turi lapų, to negalima valgyti. Then what to eat?
Everything else.
Potato, aubergine, that we can eat.
Aubergine, no?
Bell pepper, huh?
No. Eggplant, no?
Eggplant. After Kartik, I cannot eat eggplant. Makare badari mula vaishakhi nimba bhajanam Tulaya Matsyavartagi Satya Gaumansa Rakshanam. Anybody who says I am vegetarian, he is a fool number one. Anybody who thinks he or she is a vegetarian is fooling you or fooling himself or herself or both. Because vegetarian can be obtaining same amount of sin as a cow killer, cow eater. How? Na makare badari mula. Month of November is, I have said everything. Everything is there. I said it. Makare badari mula, those who eat plums in month of December and radishes. Baisakh, anything bitter is eaten by month of June, May, June. Tulaya Matsyavartag, month of Kartik, October, November. One who eats brown sugar and eggplants, brinjal. Do you understand? They are actually eating cows. So, we put our calendar is perfect. No one has this information except you. You have it in your hands. Tulaya Matsyavartagi. You cannot eat eggplants on certain time, spinach on certain time, long goats on certain time. You know, or what do you call those beans? I forgot the name. Pulses. Who asked me this question?
Pea. Green peas.
No.
Do you have that written down?
Lentils. It's a kind of red lentil, yellow lentil inside.
We cannot eat lentils at all.
What do you call that thing?
I told you. Yes, already.
Swamiji, do you have that written down?
Everything is written everywhere. You just have to read.
Okay.
Yes.
It's in the calendar.
Who is reading? Baladev is reading. So I want you to read. You and me are on both same boat. We read and we forget. But this guy reads and he remembers. So I want you to read and read and read and read, and then you will never know. Oh yes, we have everything information I put. Because I don't know when I will die, so I want to leave that information which is not available anywhere else. Vegetarian, I am vegetarian, very proud. I am vegetarian, but the guy may be eating carrots, maybe eating beetroots, maybe eating turnips, maybe eating mushrooms. Oh yes. I think in 1983, Hansadutta invited me in his house. You know Hansadutta Swami? Do you know? He was Berkeley, GVC in Berkeley. The German guy, origin from Germany. Very nice man. I worked with him 9 years. I worked 9 years with him. Very good man. But he fell. But before he fell, he was a big GVC and a guru. One day he invited me in his house. And he served what he and me are sitting. Big GVC and me both are sitting in the same line. And everything was served, and also mushrooms in a bowl. See, by mistake you break a law, you have to fast for 15 days. Called Chandrayana Brata, total fast, 15 days. I won't let you fast for 15 days. Don't worry.
About this I have a question. Then you have to take every day one ball from this 15 away. This fast. And then
So he remembers. He's reading.
Reading your books, yes.
So don't make mistakes, because you will be very skinny, you cannot stand up, sit down then. So don't fast. We are not allowing fasting because we encourage follow. I encourage everybody to follow, not fast.
Swamiji, if somehow we accidentally eat like a carrot or something, accidentally, and then we find out that we ate already. So this fast was for that, so what can we do now?
Regret. And never do it again. Just call me back, call me up, and regret. There is a mistake accidentally happened, so you have to inform and then regret. Prayaschittani cha papani narayana parangmukha. If you regret deeply at your heart, that sin which you accidentally committed will be burnt. But you have to inform. But never make mistake. Where? I forget where. Yes, now I remember. 1980, I was selected to go to Rishikesh as a president. So I went to be president in Rishikesh. So I was the only Vaishnava there. Whole Rishikesh is all Mayavadis. They are all nonsense. All of them. So I was the only Vaishnava, so I made so many devotees. So I took a Mordanga and a Kartal Arni in the morning before sunrise, go in the streets and have kirtan. Became very well known. So this Chaurasi Kutyar Transcendental Meditation invited me to give lectures to his teachers. So I go to teachers training course, they call it. So I went there giving lectures every Friday. So then they came to learn about me in a different place called Divine Life Society. Divine Life Society, I went there every Friday night giving lecture on Bhagavatam. So there the Swami, big Swami, asked me to eat with him. Did you understand? What?
He wanted to eat with him.
He wanted me to eat with him. So the lot of dal and plate, and some rice on the plate, and some chapatis on the plate. So I asked him, this dal smells, something is funny. No, everything is okay. It's vegetarian food. So I said, the smell, does it have onions? I asked. Oh yeah, we eat onions. Thank you very much. I stood up immediately and I prayed to Krishna, please, in front of me onions came. Do you understand? The big swamis, big sannyasis, they eat onions in Rishikesh, even today. See? I gave up. I did not want to go no more lectures there. So those guys came to my place. Oh, thank you very much. Please come. Like that. We want to keep purity intact. We don't want our purity to be reduced. Because some people may fool. And by the big Swami, how can you suspect? It happened in Rishikesh. I stayed 3 days as a president there. So big Swami, how can you suspect? Divine Life Society in Rishikesh is very famous. See? Thanks God I asked him, it smells funny. So God saved me.
I heard also that some devotees are eating fish. They are living near the sea. They are eating fish.
Who?
Some, they call themselves Krishna devotees. But they are
Bengalis or Orients, they are living on the coast. Because that's why everything is hodgepodge. They are called Sakhi Bhekti.
And may they eat fish?
Sakhi Bhekti, because they grow fish. They call it pani phal, water fruit. Fruit from the water.
Okay.
Fruit from the water. They don't think it is a living entity. They call fruit from water. Fruit from water.
Okay. So can I call the mushroom tomato?
Yeah. Oh, I did not eat. I was surprised that he is eating mushroom, Ansutita. And Ansutita was talking that way, and I just... Do you understand the bowl? I just pushed the bowl that way. But he did not recognize. Everything was fine. We keep him busy. You cannot even touch with the hands. Once you become a devotee, wrong things cannot be touched even with the hands. Needless to say with your lips. That is called devotion. In the same time, you cannot be fanatic. If some friends invite you, they're eating cows, you don't eat cows. You just eat Islam bread. They're very nice. I don't think they would put meat inside. Just eat bread and a sweet. So we don't want to become fanatics and insulting people. They will think we are all crazy. Then, we become Hare Krishna devotees, then we will turn crazy. I don't want to become that devotee. Possibly I will turn like them. They will think like that. If you are ideal, a devotee, a perfect gentleman, well, wow, maybe this is very good for me, like that. We are, we are perfect people. Only we don't want those who are eating meat and drinking wine think that we are no good. They should think we are good. Madhava Das, he left just now. In your neighbor staying there, he just left. Very nice devotee. His father-in-law or somebody invited him in his birthday party or somewhere. He did not want to go. So I said, no, you go. You go, but don't eat what they are eating. That's all. You are born in a meat-eating house. You ate meat whole your life. Now you have become fanatic and they invite you, don't go. That is not correct. You go there, but don't eat. You sit on the table, same table, then what can you do? Because you're born in that. They ask me, maybe I will throw up there. So they will not possibly want me to throw up, so I won't go for that reason. Did he catch me? Yeah. Because I'm not born in that slot.
There is one problem. If we are invited, we can see, okay, this is meat, we don't eat. But we cannot eat also the salad because often it's made with vinegar, not with lime juice or whatever. The bread perhaps contains eggs.
No, I don't think so.
They put some.
Sometimes they put.
Most bread doesn't.
They put.
And also if they make curry, all curry mixes.
The curry you don't eat. You eat sweets, no problem.
Yeah. Nearly everything.
But I think bread, they don't put eggs. I don't know. They put all of them?
Not all of them, but most of them.
So you should know which one they don't put.
That's why that was my problem in the army. Finally, we had only potatoes. We had a big buffet with everything, but I cannot eat nothing except these potatoes. All the other things are contaminated. I have to be very careful because I don't want to make this 1 month fasting.
Very good. You are very smart.
I try to be. Now I must be.
Yes. You're very smart. I think all bread don't carry meat. I think all bread don't carry meat. I don't eat bread. So I make my own bread. I learned how to make my own bread. Sometimes I make a bread. I hardly eat bread, but my devotees, I don't want them to eat all the chapatis. So I make bread and they eat bread, I eat chapatis. Did you catch me? Sometimes it happens. I make very nice bread. You ask Lotz and Mukunda, they will tell you. But we don't put eggs.
Yes.
We make bread.
Don't you like bread from the taste? Don't you like it? Or just because it is non-Indian dish?
I eat bread too, but not every day.
Yes.
I eat chapati every day. So I cook once in a week or once in 10 days. I put everything in the refrigerator and take out what I need, heat it up and eat. I have no time. You ask them, my devotees will tell you. You eat every day fresh because somebody is cooking halwa. I'm coming to eat your halwa. He cooks halwa.
And kheer also.
And kheer. Kheer I may not eat, halwa I will eat. And I will eat that halwa we ate yesterday, day before, in the jungle there. That is with peanut butter.
So when you gave the secret, I will explain it. we have the recipe.
What do you cook?
I cook everything.
Khichdi.
Khichdi very
also.
well.
Oh, everything. Very good. What do you cook?
What do I cook?
Hmm.
Sometimes dal and rice, and my husband likes it simple, and he won't eat leftovers. Has to be cooked every day.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just strange.
So
strange like that.
So no, you cook every day. You have time, so you cook every day,
I cook every
twice
day.
a day.
Yeah, every day.
Every day, twice a day. Very good, very good. I went to house of one of my God who was very dear one. He was my secretary for a long time. White man. He got married. He had children, grown up already, grew up, children. He invited me in his house. So his wife cooked apple pie, blueberry cake, and this, that, how many nice things, all right. I'm allowed only to eat anything from the initiated devotee. So she's not initiated. He is initiated. So he didn't cook anything. Possibly he don't know, I don't know, he did not tell me nothing. So time of prasadam came. I flew already 6.5 hours. And I took my bath, everything ready. So there was nothing. They must have hid inside the refrigerator, pies have to be cool or something, I said, can I have some chapati flour, please? I made nice chapatis, nice sabji. And I called them and they ate. So wife was wondering why he's not eating my apple pie, but I did not see any. All right? See, inside must be in the fridge. Next day, again I cooked. She said, would you mind eating one piece of my pie? I made so hard, I worked so hard, and made you some blueberry or blackberry, so many things, the nice things they brought. My God, brother, suppose I am not allowed to eat from non-initiated devotees' hands. Did he catch me?
Yes.
I said, thank you very much. Can you try a little bit of what to do? I said, thank you very much. She got upset because she worked for me, but I did not know. Before I came, she must be working, doing all these pies, that's what they know. So I felt bad too, but I'm not allowed. I cannot break my law because you invite me. Did he catch me? There is a way to do things. Like the vegetarian book, editor of vegetarian book was our neighbor. She's master's in communication. I said, you got master's degree. Can you do me little editing, please? She did editing. Did he catch me? So I'm upstairs in my house, my place. She came to our place. She said, I worked for you. But she came in short pants. Did he catch me? And I did not want her in my room, not possible. So I said, please, can we go out? She got offended, never came back again. Did he catch me? So sometimes people become offended for nothing. Their ego is so big, a little hit, a pin prick, makes them very big offense. She's the editor of our vegetarian book. Never came back. See? So, we are not fanatics. While following rules, if somebody becomes upset, what can we do? So my God brother's wife don't talk to me much. No more. Nothing she will cook, nothing she will ask, nothing will... I went twice more again in the house. But never speak no more anything. They are big people, they are big officers, possibly working in a big office. And, come back, husband and wife, fine, they're nice, but he's my, he was. Sometimes you cannot help them making somebody become upset. Your intention is to not make somebody become upset. But sometimes they become upset. That is their problem. I go to help others. My duty is to help somebody. If they become upset and unhappy, what can I do? Did you catch me? She comes to my room, the short, you understand? It's so short. But that is their culture. But it's not my culture. So I said, can we go outside, please? Can we go in the living room and sit there? Because some devotees are there, maybe. We sit there, let's talk there. She walked out and never came back.
So you did not want her to leave. You just told her that
yeah, let's go
together.
Outside.
Yeah.
Outside. You know, she entered my because every computer is everything is there. My room is not just one single room as a bed. Bedroom is inside.
Mm-hmm.
But outside is also computers and everything, you know. When you have big stress, then it's fine, no problem. Like that. We cannot maintain our composure when there is a time for us to become degraded. We have to be careful. If somebody becomes offended, then becomes offended. I was in Sri Lanka 1976 and I was told Idrus Murdin, I will never forget that name. You heard of that name? His name was Idrus Murdin and he was a Muslim. I went there. Somebody sent me there. So he, because the friend of him was a Hindu, he sent me there because he's a nice guy. So he must have made a phone call that I'm sending such and such. So he put a cow's leather, whole cow, total cow. And I had a German helper. He's carrying my briefcase with books. German, he was a German fellow. So you can't walk on this, he said. He helped me because I did not know it's cow's leather. So you can't walk, you cannot put your foot here. I said, why? This is whole cow. Total cow, they must have, somehow or other removed all the skin of the cow. And I could not recognize because it's not my culture to recognize. But he recognized it, he helped me. So we can't help. I did not step on this. He wanted me to step on this so he can talk with me. He did not talk with me and he entered in his room. In his house, he went inside. He didn't want to talk because I didn't want to put foot on it. So sometimes you cannot help than making somebody become upset. That is ideal devotee. One who cares of everyone, in the same time cares for himself or herself. So I care for you very much, and you put a cow's leather, and I should step on it because I care about you. I don't care about me too. Did you catch me? So I should not be lost because of you. I should be protected and you should be protected. If while protecting you, I get lost, then it's useless because I cannot help him. Because I'm lost already. While you are drowning in the ocean and I jump inside and I sink myself and to help you, that is stupidity because I cannot help anybody else. Like that. Anything else?
About helping everybody, I have one question. Did you make a decision in the request of Jagat Guru, perhaps? They ask you now 3 times something for Jagat Guru.
Yeah, I don't want that post.
No?
Yeah, then I cannot go in the procession.
I think so.
Yeah.
You have now also too much duty.
I cannot go out of the door. Yeah, not good. I don't want that big position. They're after me. But I don't want that position because it's already Mahamandaleshwar. I did not see the market, how Vrindavan looks. When I'm going with your chariot procession, I cannot look here and there. Swami is looking this way and is walking this way. So I don't know how Vrindavan looks inside. Did you catch me? We make you governor. What happens to you? If I make you a governor, what happens to you? You become confined in 4 walls and so many guards. You cannot even meet your son because your son has to take appointment and the secretary can reject that appointment. You don't understand? So it's like that. So bigger position is not good.
I'm very happy.
It is unhelpful. You can't help everybody. Did you catch me? There will be 2 secretaries sitting there. Will send you away. So what is the use of you making guru if the guru don't give you association? What is the use of me making you a disciple? I cannot talk and clear your questions. The secretary will come and sit there. And it's not our man. Did you understand? When I go to Kumbh Mela, they are not our men who are guarding me. I cannot tell them, don't let Prahlad come in me. They are policemen. They are guarding me. Do you understand? We have our own police sadhus. They look like sadhus, but they are policemen. They will throw you out. So it's not good. It's nonsense, I think.
Swamiji, is it okay if a disciple remembers his guru as Jagat Guru, even if he was not selected?
No, my guru is Jagat Guru.
Yes.
He could not even become a Mahant. Do you understand? Yes. Mahant is the lowest position. Mahamandaleshwar is here, Jagat Guru is here. You understand? So, my guru, 1975, my guru tried to become Mahant. And then letter was passed everywhere. You see, 1 person did not sign. So all the cookings were fed back to pigs. All pigs ate laddus, sweet balls, puri, sabji, everything is thrown outside. These were no buildings here.
Was that because of the Westerner devotees, their weird actions, right? So they saw and... Okay.
Prabhupada cried with tears. I said, I'll get that position, don't worry. They pushed me into this, I forgot. They pushed me into this position because that Sanskrit book came out. You heard of that one?
Yes.
Yes, that Sanskrit book came out. When I wrote Sanskrit, the translation and purport, everything is in Sanskrit. They saw there is somebody there. Gaudiya Math, big Bhagavat Maharaj came. What are you doing with these people? They are monkeys. He said, come with me. I said, thank you very much. And this Kaviraj was with me then, at that time.
Yes.
My godmother was with me when Bhagavat Maharaj spoke to me. Big scholar of Gaudiya Math. I said, what are you doing there? They're just a bunch of monkeys. Said, you're very smart, you should leave them and come here. I said, thank you very much. Sridhar Maharaj said the same thing. Puri Maharaj said the same thing. Everybody says the same thing. You come and join us. Thank you very much. I'm married only once. I cannot marry second time. Not possible. Do you understand? I have husband and wife, everything in once. No more seconds. Do you understand?
Yes.
I cannot make another person. I can't join. Thank you. My guru is authentic. My guru is authorized. Perfect. Oh, thank you. Keep it your acharya's position. But if I offer you $5 million and to become guru of Turkey, and then you will just join Puri Maharaj and give up Krishna Balram Swami, $5 million.
$5 million?
Huh?
I think he will not give up for $5 million. No. He not he. No.
We should be fixed. So fixed, it's like a rock in middle of ocean. When waves are hitting, waves have to go back. Rock remains unshaking. This should be rock. When Sridhar Maharaj told me that guy whom I beat in Delhi, he was with me, my secretary. At that time, my godbrother, he was with me speaking in English. The devotee is still alive, he's an American. So we cannot be bribed for any reasons with anything. That is called devotee. If we are unwavering devotee, then we get the blessings. Like that.
So we know that our Guru is Jagat Guru, and this is not a bad thing to think about.
Yeah, correct. Because Jagat Guru means one who's preaching all over the world. Jagat Guru is not a title of some saints. My Guru has no title. But I call him Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada Ji. Madhav is pushing me to be called Prabhupada. He always calls me Prabhupada. Do you understand? You know Madhav Das, next to your name. I want to remain as simple as you can. That is better.
So if you let us go, in the afternoon, we would like to go to Lal Bazaar right now.
Yes.
You let us go. In this time.
Go ahead. Thank you very much.
श्री श्री पूज्यपाद महामंडलेश्वर महंत श्री कृष्ण बलराम स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। श्री श्री राधा गोविंदे भगवान की जय। श्री वृंदावन धाम की जय। वृंदावनेश्वरी राधा रानी की जय। जय जय श्री राधे श्याम।
Thank you very much. Rasa Leela.